A 16-year-old Class X student of St. Columbus School died by suicide at Rajendra Place metro station on the 18th of November after allegedly suffering ongoing harassment from his teachers. Delhi police registered an FIR against 4 teachers based on a complaint by the boy's father stating that the harassment caused severe mental stress to his son. Police said the student Shaurya Patel left school through the back gate that morning. He had refused to perform a dance because of a sprained ankle, and teachers allegedly warned and scolded him. Shaurya did not reach his pickup point and later jumped from the metro station, resulting in his death. Investigators found a handwritten suicide note in his school bag naming specific teachers. In it, Shaurya wrote, "School staff said so much that I had to do it. My last wish is that action be taken against them so that no other student does what I did." He apologized to his family and expressed a wish for organ donation. His parents said he repeatedly complained of being insulted and mentally troubled over small issues, but earlier verbal complaints to school authorities failed to stop the harassment. A friend said Shaurya had long faced problems with some teachers. She added that several students had expressed concerns about the environment at St. Columbus. Shaurya was passionate about dance and drama, but a teacher allegedly mocked him, calling him overacting. Police retrieved CCTV footage and are summoning the 4 teachers named in the FIR. The school suspended them and barred them from the premises and from interacting with students or parents without written permission. In 2023, 13,892 students in India died by suicide, marking a nearly 65% increase since 2013, with school stress reported as a major contributing factor. According to the NCRB senior consultant psychiatrist Dr. Nimesh G. Desai, former director of IHBOS, called it a tragic mix of depression and severe school pressure. He urged early mental health detection in children and better support for teachers.
This particular case that recently reported of a 10 class 10 student committed suicide.
It's a very sad outcome of two major aspects. The biological or genetic aspect of how some people, including young children, can fall prey to depression, disease. But very often that can be taken care of or is okay to deal with. The second aspect is the increasing pace and all the adverse circumstances that get created at workplace or in school. So unfortunately, in those susceptible children, when the circumstances are adverse, it becomes impossible for that child to deal with the stress. The need is to be aware that depression can happen in young kids and not to ever overlook symptoms of depression even in young kids. And 2, of course, try and create as positive, supportive an atmosphere in school as possible, especially for those who are vulnerable. The expression of distress, something that should come easy to children, and we have to create an atmosphere where they can express their distress, or if they are being harassed or feeling harassed, there should be a way out of handling that.
So how do you see this as parents alleged that he was humiliated?
Very much, very much. One must also recognize that, like all working groups, in the society, teachers are also under pressure. So we also recognize in the field of mental health that teachers need their own outlet and their mental health support. But it cannot be denied that teachers have a very crucial psychological, emotional role for those young kids. And so, like we all keep trying to do, mental health sensitization for teachers for both purposes, for looking after the children and looking after their own emotional health.
अभी हम मेट्रो के जॉइंट सीपी श्री मिलिंद डुमरी जी से मिल के आए हुए हैं। उन्होंने हमें आश्वासन दिया है कि इसका जो तपास चल रहा है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, प्रॉपर तरीके से चल रहा है। और उन्होंने जो कंसर्न डीसीपी थी उनसे बात कराई गई है और कल सुबह 11:30 बजे डीसीपी के साथ मीटिंग हमारी रखी हुई है और जल्द से जल्द हम उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेंगे। सबूत इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं और हम जल्दी से जल्दी अरेस्ट करेंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया हुआ है।
तो सर, आपका आश्वासन है उनके आश्वासन से?
हम भगवान के ऊपर भरोसा कर रहे हैं और उम्मीद है कि हम जो चाहते हैं उनको अरेस्ट कराना, तो सबसे पहली स्टेप है वो जल्दी हो जाएगी।
अफगानिस्तान ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा क्या, या फिर क्या?
देखो, हम अलग अलग एजेंसीज के पास जा रहे हैं, जैसे कि इनमें जो चाइल्ड वेलफेयर के उसमें भी गए थे और उसके बाद अभी ये सीपी जॉइंट सीपी साहब को मिल रहे, कल डीसीपी साहब को मिलेंगे। तो हम मेहनत करेंगे क्योंकि बच्चे को हमने न्याय दिलाना है और तभी तो उसकी आत्मा को शांति मिलेगी।